Now people are going, yeah, okay, now we're talking raptors. This was what everybody thinks of a raptor, right guys? Something big. Look at the size of the talons on this bird. That's right, this is what everybody thinks of in a raptor. And this one is really common around here. All right, everybody raise your hand because you all know what this one is, right? Everybody raise your hand. I only see 3, 4 hands out of all of you down. Oh, thank you very much. Anybody back? Oh, way back there we had a hand go up. And you, young lady, look at that, your hand's going up. Do you know what kind of bird this is? What is it? It's an owl. Awesome. Now, who can tell me what kind of owl? How about you with the Shrek ears on? Oh yeah, you're embarrassed now. What kind of owl is it? No, not. Very good. Oh, you know, I heard somebody say barred owl. What? That's another kind we have around here, but this is even bigger than that. Anybody else tell me what kind of bird this is? And let's see, how many hints do you need? Right, if I put this over my shoulder. What is it? Come on. That's right, great horned owl. Phew. Very good. This is our great horned owl. And owls in general have some cool things. Watch its head. Everybody always has a question about how is it doing that? What's it doing with its head? It's turning it almost all the way around. And there's a cool fact behind that, guys. And it all has to do, look at this, let's turn that head. There you go. There we go. Sorry, we're not like a Disney animatronic character. I can't make it do any of those things. It wants to do what it wants to do. But look at this head. So, you humans, you have 7 vertebrae in your neck, 7 bones in your neck. That's it. How far can you turn your head? Show me. Come on, do it. Don't just tell me. Show me. Yeah, the older you get, the less you move it. I see that. That's right. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, you can do that. You youngsters, you can turn your head pretty far, pretty good. But you can't do this. And the reason is, owls have 14 bones in their neck. We only have 7, they have 14. So they can turn their head, oh, there we go. They can actually turn it not all the way around, but pretty close. They can turn it 270 degrees, which means they can turn it all the way behind them. And then they can keep on going and look over a little bit further. Way over. We can't do that. Now, does anybody, and I really want to test this, does anybody know why great horns and all owls have to be able to do this? I see a ringer over there. Do you know? And that's what you said. Do you know that these birds cannot move their eyes? Now, wait a minute. You gave the easy part of the answer. Why can't they move their eyes? Oh, there you go. Yes? They don't have eyelids. Actually, they have 3 eyelids. Oh, 3 eyelids. Not just a couple like ours, but 3 eyelids. Let me tell you the reason. Do you see these beautiful eyes on this bird? You see those beautiful yellow eyes? Well, you know what? They look huge. They don't look that big on this head, but if you got rid of all those feathers, did you know that the eyes on owls are actually tube-shaped? And they take up 2/3 of the skull of this bird. 2/3. That would mean all of you adults out there, if you had eyeballs this size, each of your eyes would be the size of a softball. Could you imagine 2 softballs in your head right now? 2 softballs. That causes the problem where you cannot move your eyes because you have no muscles to move them. You can only look straight ahead. That's right. So if you're an owl, you've got to be able to turn your head all the way around, because if you hear something behind you, you better see what it is. And the only way to do that is with the 14 bones in that neck turning all the time. So, very cool fact. Now you know why owls have to be able to turn their heads, because they cannot move their eyes.